So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Cloud Computing Week 6 assignment 6. So the first question is modification of data in transit is considered as an attack on. So these are the option confidentiality, integrity, availability, authenticity. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, modification attack on integrity. So the answer of our first question is B, integrity. Now let's go to question number second. A phishing attack is mainly an attack on. So these are the option confidentiality, availability, integrity, authenticity. So the answer of our second question is A, confidentiality. Now let's go to question number third. Which of the following attack is not passive? So these are the option eavesdropping, snooping, masquerading, traffic analysis. So let's check the answer of our question number third. So question third, active attacks masquerade one entity pretends to be a different entity. So the answer of our third question is C. Now let's go to question number four. Denial of service DOS is an example of. So these are the option disruption, disclosure, usurpation, deception. So let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question four, usurpation, denial of service. So the answer of our fourth question is also C, usurpation. Now let's go to question number fifth. Which step involves actively testing systems for security weaknesses? So these are the option reconnaissance, vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, post-attack investigation. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. Question fifth, penetration testing. Now we can exploit them to gain access. So the answer of our fifth question is the penetration testing. Now let's do question number six. Reconnaissance in network security is the phase where attackers or testers collect information about the target system. So true or false? So let's check the answer of our sixth question. Question six, step three, reconnaissance. So the answer of our sixth question is A. Now let's go to question number seven. Statement first, authentication is the process of verifying the identity of a user or system. Statement second, non-repudiation ensures that a sender cannot deny sending a message. So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is C. Both statements are true. Now let's go to question number 8. A company develops a custom machine learning model. They want full control over the operating system, runtime libraries, and storage, but do not want to manage physical servers, power, or networking. Which could service model best suits their needs? So these are the option SaaS, IaaS, PaaS, DaaS. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. Question 8, IaaS entire infrastructure from facilities to hardware. So the answer of our eighth question is B. Now let's go to question number 9. A healthcare company must follow HIPAA guideline when storing patient data in the cloud. This is an example of which security risk. So these are the options regulatory, compliance and audit, data location, recovery, investigative support. So let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, regulatory, compliance and audit. So the answer of our ninth question is A. Now let's go to question number 10. Vendor lock is most directly associated with which long-term viability challenge? So these are the options: difficulty in migrating data to another provider, unauthorized data disclosure, increased regulatory audit, privileged user misuse. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. Long-term viability. Ask potential providers how you would get your data back and if it would be in a format that you could import into a replacement application. So the answer of our 10th question is A. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.